a test. What, did you put an egg in there?
Huh? Yeah.
You egg it?
No, not yet. I'm gonna make an omelet. I'm just warming that up as a.
Oh, you make an omelet too?
I'm making like a cheese egg.
Tell the folks what you're making today.
Huh? It's like a okay.
This
make
is
it,
Mike's
make it
cooking.
plain and simple. I'm making an omelet with cheese and ham, and I'm sticking it inside a quesadilla or inside a
And what do you call that creation?
sandwich. Come on.
What happened now?
I don't know. Probably ran out of time.
Is this thing still on?
See, look at you. You're taking a picture of a dirty kitchen.
No, it's not a dirty kitchen. It's a used kitchen from
No.
a master chef. A master chef
Yeah,
that
when
works
are they
has
coming?
stuff all over the place. You ever see Chef Ramsay's kitchen? He's got stuff all over the place. What do you think?
Yeah. There you go.
Of the food and of the dogs. The two dogs. Oh, here comes the most exciting part, and I'm gonna miss it. Hi, Deb. And put the lime in the coconut.
No line here.
What's that there?
This
Shaved ham?
Yeah. My hands are washed. Don't worry.
Hands are washed last night. Last night he washed his hands. Look at that. See, that's professional there. That's a professional looking thing. Somebody put meat on my cheese, a big slab of meat. Ooh.
That's only a little bit.
Yeah, we'll see how this thing works. It looks like it's okay. Looks like it's working good. What? What do you want? Speak.
Here.
Speak.
Oh, chopper view. There's an update. Chopper update. All right, here you go.
I don't want it.
Well, I gotta flip this.
He's got a flip. This is where the professionalism comes in to play right
Now
here.
this is where I'm kind of figuring this out because I'm doing another egg. So I'm moving this over. I'm gonna dump this sucker in.
Oh, wait a minute. You didn't put the egg in there yet?
Yeah, no, I'm gonna put this in and then I'm gonna flip it on top of it.
Oh, is that how you're doing it?
Why
I'll
not?
try that.
Why not?
Okay. Yeah, that sounds good. Just pick that up with your fingers.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Drum roll. We need a drum roll. Oh my God. There we go. Oh, there was egg on the bottom, so I get it. It's like an egg sandwich on tortillas.
Come on, man. It's annoying.
You want to be on YouTube, here's your chance.
I don't want to be on YouTube.
Yes, you do. You want to dress up in a Wonder Woman's outfit.
No, I want to see women in Wonder Woman's outfits.
Very cheesy.
Very cheesy.
Just like the creator. Very cheesy.
Easy beans. Freaking cameras everywhere.
You're a star.
You know, it would have been nice if I had bigger tortillas, or whatever they call these. What do they use tortillas?
Cook them. Cook them. Don't be afraid to cook them.
No, I'm gonna put it back in. I'm just warming the outside. Oh, cheese.
Oh, that's Parmesan? What is it? A Gouda cheese?
Goat
Goat
cheese. I
cheese.
think it's Parmesan. Yeah. Shoot. Cheese bottom. Salsa.
Oh, salsa. Salsa.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Put that on the side.
All right, here's a flip.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
180. Did you get that?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. There we go.
Oh my God. Looks like a souffle.
Now, oops. Shut that off. Pizza cutter. Hot! Oh my God, it's hot.
Let it cool down a minute.
Oh, my fingers.
Wait.
Let me let it cool. Oh, I should have let it cool.
Oh, that's plenty.
We could have used chicken.
That's okay. We eat that and see if we survive.
I unhinged my jaw. Bueno.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Okay. All right, let's dig in.
That's a healthy bite.
Good.
Masarap. All right. All right. We got 2 thumbs up.
My tortilla fell off.
Yeah, I told you we should have put more cheese. You got to cement it together with the cheese.
Is that what you do?
Yeah,
Okay.
queso. I only put it on one side. All right.
Okay.
This is it. That was the end. Hope you enjoyed.
Good.
Bye. Thumbs up.